God damn. I'm gonna wield the beast, all of my enemies, negative energy. I could do anything. I got the guillotine off of their head.
Fucking shit.
Hey, woke up and yeah.